Hello everyone. So there was a question on the community about annoying users. Yes, annoying users. Now the question is about asking the users to add a comment every time. Every time there is a change on an issue. So let us say if I'm working on a story or a bug or a task or whatever. Let us say if I have to change the priority or if I have to change, let us say any field or any modification that I do on the issue. I imagine if I have to, or if I am being asked to add a comment. Now this is something that I understand can be applicable for a couple of fields that you really want to track, and you want to ensure that those fields, even if you modify them, you ask the user maybe for some kind of justification. So there is a way of doing it. So first of all, don't do it because it is annoying. But if you have to do it for really for compliance reasons, what you can do is you can remove the field from the edit issue screen. So yes, that can be done. In Jira, of course, we have three operations: create issue operation, edit issue operation, and of course the view operation. And you can have three different screens. So make sure you have a separate screen for the edit operation. Then remove the field from the edit operation and add the field in a transition screen that can be added to a transition. So let us say you want to keep track of the due date. So remove the due date from the edit issue screen, add it to a transition screen, and then in the transition screen, you can actually have one global transition or any transition that you can maybe display on top. I mean, which is of course anyways displayed on top, where you can ask the user to fill up that particular field. You can actually make the field required, or maybe make the comment required along with that particular field. And doing it is actually very simple. When you go to your workflow, let us say this is your workflow. So when you modify any of the workflow and go to the validator, you have the option to, you might need, of course, an app like JSU or Jira MISC workflow extension. So when you add a transition, you can actually see there is something called as field required. And if you're on cloud, I think you should have access to some of these validators. And you can actually display here or select here the field that you want to make sure is filled in, and add, of course, a message. So it is, of course, very simple. But my personal recommendation is not to do it for each and every field. It is definitely going to make life a bit difficult. But yeah, it is a possibility. And if you are on cloud, yes, you can definitely use this. On server, we of course can do something similar, but at the same time on server we have behaviors which can also be used. All right, so that is all. That is all I wanted to talk about and share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.